Welcome to your first tutorial on beginning HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is the standard markup language used for creating basic web pages consisting of text, graphics, and links, as well as advanced dynamic web pages with animated content and interactive features. So HTML describes the structure of a web page, and HTML consists of a series of elements that tell the browser how to display the content. So in this video, in this whole course, our major focus is going to be most on the elements, because if you really want to understand HTML, then the shortcut is to master the use of those HTML elements. And there are a lot of elements in HTML, and we are going to be exploring a lot of them during the course of these videos I'm going to be creating. And in this particular video, it's just a basic introduction to HTML. So in this HTML course, the only thing you need to learn HTML is just a simple text editor. And text editors are just programs you use in writing your HTML code. Okay, so like I said, we are going to be making use of elements a lot in this HTML course. And to start with, there are two types of elements in HTML. We have the container elements and the empty element. Now, container elements consist of the opening and closing tags, while empty elements have only opening tags with no closing tags. So for example, if you want to create a heading, you have H1 to H6, which is the heading element. If you want to add a picture to your website, you make use of the IMG element. If you want to add lists to your website, or tables, or videos, audios, and all that, you need to make use of all these elements. So you can see elements like a set of instructions that describe the structure of your web page. So we are going to be making use of a lot of them as time goes on in this video. Now, elements don't just exist on their own. Elements don't exist on their own. They need to be inside of tags. So you can see those angle brackets, those are tags, and tags are just indicators that describe a particular content or a particular element. So we are going to be treating all those things in this course. So make sure you follow these videos properly to help you master the use of these elements. Now, I'm not going to be explaining much. We are just going, this course is going to be more practical. It's going to be more of practical with less explanations, but I'm going to be linking some resources in the description of this video you can use to master more about HTML. But trust me guys, at the end of this video, you are going to have proper knowledge on how to design your website using HTML. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to install text editors we can use to start designing our website with HTML. And there are a lot of text editors. Some of the text editors we have Atom, we have Brackets, we have Notepad++, we have CK Editor, we have Sublime Text, TextEdit, BBEdit, Visual Studio Code, and all that. So no particular text editor is better than the other. You just need to get yourself around with the one you're more familiar with. So for someone like me, I so much love Atom, and I've been using Atom for years now, so I understand it better, and that is the text editor I'm going to be using in this tutorial. So there are different other text editors you can explore if you want. Just come online and search for text editors for HTML. And when you type that, you're going to be seeing different text editors. So you just click on the particular one you want, and then you install it and you start to use. But in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can download Atom, how you can install it on your computer, and then we will now start to use Atom to design our website with HTML. So I'll see you guys in the next video.